Behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
And on the Red Alliance, we see both 5171 and Milk and Knights depositing their cubes in unison, and 5171 also moving over to finish on their charging station. Although it is not level, they do appear securely in place. Blue Alliance, meanwhile, scored 2 game pieces of their own, and we see 2486 made it all the way onto the charging station and level. But now, as we start tally up, Robots are racing into action. The Blue Alliance maintains the lead for now, but Red Alliance quickly looking to make that up. And on that Red Alliance, speaking of, we see Milk and Knights racing back from their loading zone across field, almost tipping over for a moment, but maintaining their footing and adding a cone to the upper row as well. Blue Alliance, however, eager to hang on to their lead. We see both Coconuts and Unirex depositing game pieces of their own. Looks like Blue Alliance already has 2 links scored. And with Gearheads racing over, they are looking to make that some more. And in fact, we see all 3 of our Blue Alliance robots racing back and forth. Just about all of our game pieces, which started on the floor of the field, have been scored, and that means they are a bit of a scarcer commodity. That's why we see our robots racing back and forth across field from their respective loading zones. And speaking of, we see a bit of a collision as all of our robots have that aim in mind, but they managed to make it free of the tangle. We see Unirex adding 1 more cone in the upper row for Blue Alliance, and once again racing back across field. And the Blue Alliance is continuing to pull ahead with a minute left in the match. And however, not to be outdone, they are still working on some scoring of their own. We see Milk and Knights, looks like they are on the hunt, picking up straight from their loading zone a cone if they can manage to get a hold of it. And Red Alliance, meanwhile, we see Apes of Wrath. They don't have a game piece at the moment. Might be looking for one, or might just be doing their best to help their teammates score. And 5171, they do have a game piece for the Red Alliance, and they deposit that in the bottom row. However, seems like Blue Alliance has been matching just about 2 game pieces to every one from the Red Alliance. And with 20 seconds left to go, the Blue Alliance already has more than enough links needed for the ranking point. However, they are still working on every last bit of game piece scoring they can get. And with 10 seconds left, Apes of Wrath and Milk and Knights on their charging station. Looks like they may have lost footing to get it level. And with 4 seconds left, we see both Unirex and Coconuts making it docked and engaged for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance, although not level, has 3 robots in position, taking that match by a score of 159 to 75, and that Blue Alliance picking up 4 ranking points as well.